Ever thought of elevating your traditional grilled cheese sandwich? Imagine infusing it with the creamy, rich goodness of avocados. This isn't just your average grilled cheese. This is an avocado grilled cheese sandwich. Begin by selecting 2 slices of your favorite bread. Any type will do, but a crusty sourdough or hearty whole grain can add an extra layer of flavor and texture. Next, pick out a ripe avocado. You'll want one that yields slightly under pressure, indicating it's just the right level of ripeness. Now cut the avocado in half, remove the pit and scoop out the flesh. Mash it until it's creamy, but still has a few chunks for texture. Spread this mashed avocado generously over one side of each bread slice. The avocado not only adds flavor and creaminess, but it also helps to hold the sandwich together. It's time to choose your cheese. A good sharp cheddar adds a tangy contrast to the creamy avocado, but feel free to experiment with your favorites. Maybe a smoky Gouda or a creamy mozzarella. Layer your cheese slices on top of the avocado, then top it with the second slice of bread avocado side down. Next, heat a pan over medium heat. Add a pat of butter and let it melt, swirling it around to coat the pan. Now place your sandwich in the pan. Cook it slowly, allowing the cheese to melt and the bread to become golden brown. Flip the sandwich over and cook the other side until it matches. Once both sides are golden brown and the cheese is melty and gooey, remove the sandwich from the pan. Let it sit for a minute or 2. This allows the cheese to set up a bit, making the sandwich easier to cut. And there you have it, an avocado grilled cheese sandwich. A simple twist on a classic favorite, taking comfort food to a whole new level. The creamy avocado, the melty cheese, the crusty bread. It's a symphony of textures and flavors in every bite. So next time you're craving a grilled cheese, give this elevated version a try. You may never go back to the traditional version again.